What's up guys, Pete here, back at you with another amazing video, and in today's video we're going to discuss the top 4 ways to get amazing product images done for your Amazon listing. So let's get into it right now. So I'm going to go in order from cheapest to most expensive and premium in regards to these methods for your images. So starting with number 1, we have doing them yourself. So yes, you can actually get amazing product images done yourself, but you have to have the right setup. It's amazing actually how good of quality that your standard smartphone is. Whether you have a Samsung, an iPhone, or whatever, the camera quality on your smartphone nowadays is actually almost on par with that of a professional camera. It's absolutely incredible. So what that allows us to do is get quick and dirty product images done for relatively free and just get us up and running in the quickest, period of time. If we then think our product is a winner and we're making a bunch of sales and getting a bunch of money in the bank, then we can invest in some premium, like high quality image services out there to make us even that much better. But there's really no reason to start out of the gate with a premium image service unless you have some money, of course. So the setup I'm talking about in regards to taking your own images is number 1, you need a smartphone. Number 2, you're going to need a light box. And this is the light box that I go with. It's actually made by Amazon themselves, Amazon Basics, and it's about $135. Yes, it's an investment, but guys, to get a professional product photo done at any of the major top professional services, the bundle of photos is going to cost you $500, $600, $700, sometimes upwards of $1,000 depending on who you go with. So this is $135. It's a one-time cost. You're going to have this thing forever. Chances are it's not going to wear out anytime soon. And that's it. So smartphone and a light box. And you can see how the light box works here if you go to the Amazon listing. I'll just play this video real quick. So yeah, I'll just let this play for 2 seconds, but you guys can figure it out yourself. So that's it. You just set it up. It already has the lights built within the light box. It has a really nice clear white background already. You just place your product in there, and boom, you're done. Now you just take the photo with your smartphone, and you're gonna have a good, high quality white background photo for extremely inexpensively. Number 2 option that I go with that I actually really like and use to this day is to go local. So I love having a local photographer at my disposal because it makes things so easy to get quick edits done. If you don't like something in particular about your photo, you just go to them, hey, can you change this one little thing and get back to me later today? Easy, seamless. You don't have to go through email and phone call with a professional service. And it's just a clunky way of doing things sometimes, because if you're like me, you're impatient and you want things done immediately, then waiting for an email of all your edits and stuff, and sometimes they won't actually edit what you want edited and they don't get it completely how you want it. I'm a perfectionist, so I want things done a very particular way. You probably are the same too, but we all have 1 or 2 friends that are really into photography and have a nice camera and actually enjoy it and do it either as a hobby or maybe even trying to make a living doing it. I think most of us have 1 or 2 friends that are like that, so reach out to them and be like, hey, I'm starting this new Amazon venture. I think it would be really cool. I want to sit down and talk with you about maybe doing some product photos for me, both in use, lifestyle, and just static white background photos. So most of the time they should be pretty excited at that opportunity, and you guys can work out really flexible pricing, right? Really flexible pricing. You're not locked into any fixed cost as you would be on an online website. And yeah, having a local angle is really useful for a variety of reasons. Number 3 is use Fiverr or Upwork.com. So Fiverr and Upwork are by far the 2 best online freelance services to get just anything you want done, but in this case, images. So you can go to Fiverr, you can type in, let's see, Amazon product images, and you're going to get a whole bunch of results. And as you can see, a bunch of people that are freelancing doing Amazon product images. The one thing you have to be careful of with these freelance services is A, are they just going to edit your photos, or B, are they actually can you actually send your physical product into them where they can actually take the actual photos and edit them all at the same time. So depending on what you want, you're going to have to be careful when you make that distinction. Do you already have the photos done? If so, maybe you can just send them to one of these people for editing. If you want everything done start to finish, which is probably going to be the more likely situation, then you definitely want to actually find somebody where you can send your physical product into, then they can actually take the photos, edit it, do everything in-house for you. And if you're in the USA, A lot of these people on Fiverr are definitely stationed overseas, but if you're in the USA, probably you are going to want to find somebody also in the USA, and you can come over here to the left and seller location at the bottom here. Kind of hard to see. And just make sure it's United States, and you're going to be golden there. So that's a little tip there. Number 3 tactic is to use a freelance service like Fiverr or Upwork. Now, if you really want to do things up right, this is the best service that I know as far as Amazon images go. These people are on the ball. They do extremely high quality photos. And best of all, they know Amazon because this service was originally intended for Amazon sellers, right? Not just any e-commerce platform, but for Amazon in particular. And they really know what they're doing. It's called Pixel Perfect Photography, and you can go to their website. Let's just check out their services real quick. So this is perfect. This is what we want. And this is the only service that I know of that actually does everything in-house. So what I mean by that, they can do white background photography, they can do lifestyle photography, they can do 360 floating videos, they can use models, and they can have wow images, which are just like really cool graphical effects and digital 3D renderings and all that kind of stuff, which is definitely makes you stand out on Amazon. And of course, you ship your product into them to have them do it all. So let's check out a couple of the examples of what they do. So again, guys, these are extremely nice, high quality images that you or I just simply wouldn't be able to achieve unless we had an actual photography studio and we were professionals. Okay. I know they had some other ones too. Okay, here we go. These are the wow photos I'm talking about. Like these really stand out and are cool. You know, all these effects, these graphical effects. I love these images right here that show all the different layers and the inner workings of a particular product. You know, really, really well done photos, guys. Really, really well done. And I'm going to be straightforward with you. You're going to have to pay for it. This is not cheap. You will have to pay a lot of money for it. $5.97, $6.97, or $11.97. They have 3 different packages. I would go with definitely the middle package if you were to actually use the service, because most Amazon listings have 7 images in their usable image space. I know a lot of times you're able to put more than 7 up, sometimes like 9 or 10, but a lot of times only the top 7 will actually display on Amazon, so meaning that you just want 7 images to be extremely well done. And with this package you only get 5. That's no good for me. With this package you actually get 9. You get 3 lifestyles, 1 infographic, and you even get access to a model. So extremely useful package here. Guys, with a lot of the other services out there, you're going to have to pay extra for the model, extra for lifestyle, if they even offer the lifestyle. They don't do infographics, and their quality is not going to be as good as these guys. These guys are the premier cutting edge in quality, no doubt about it. And certainly the people that I would go with if it makes sense for you, right? All right, so now that you know how to go out there and get your images done, now let me give you my actual formula for crafting the best layout and exactly how to do it for your Amazon listing. So here's my winning image layout, and you're going to see here underneath that in the asterisk, align images with bullets. So I like to always align my image with my bullet point. So for example, the first bullet point, if it reads extremely loud and clear sound Bluetooth speaker, in my image I will have something that demonstrates an extremely loud speaker with clear sound. So I always align the bullets with the images. I believe it makes a much more cohesive and attractive and professional looking Amazon listing, and I believe they convert better from a customer standpoint, and that's really all we care about. Number 1, as you know, your main image has to be on a pure white background, so I just highly advise you go with an extremely clear, high quality white background photo of your product, and if you have a free bonus, you can include the free bonus in that as well. So extremely high quality, pure white background photo in your main image, nothing more than that, because you don't want to be breaking Amazon's terms of service. After we get the main image out of the way, now you have a lot more leeway in your remaining 6 images. So I would go with a lifestyle or product in use. I'd go with a wow photo. I'd go with an infographic for number 4. I'd throw in another clear product photo or model. Let me see. Or model in product 5. In image 5, I'd go with another lifestyle in image 6, And in 7, I would include everything that the customer would be getting within their purchase order. And if you have really nice custom packaging, definitely throw in your packaging into this image as well. If not, leave it out. And I would also definitely include a CTA on the last image. A CTA is short for call to action. And what that basically says is limited time, buy 2, get 5% off, or buy 2, get 10% off, coupon codes below, something like that, something to, or hurry and click add to cart, something to get them to just take action. That's a call to action. I always like to throw that in my last image just to add a little bit of scarcity and conversion juice to the listing. So this is my layout, and I'm going to show you now a real life listing on Amazon that sort of mirrors this layout. Here we go. I'm on a very high selling meat claw and silicone barbecue glove listing on Amazon, and it kind of displays exactly what I'm saying in my image layout formula. So number 1, they have a really high quality main image of a pure white background that includes all of the free bonuses. So you get gloves, you get a basting brush, and you get these meat claws all within the same order. So they actually do a really nice job of including all these components into their main image in a really clear manner on a pure white background. So they get an A from me on their main image. Number 2, they have a nice in-use photo here. Shows exactly what the gloves can do. They can handle a really hot piece of chicken, and you're not going to burn yourself or anything like that. And also keep in mind, see the main image here? It displays the whole entire set that they will be getting. What's the first bullet point? Barbecue Man's Dream Set. Number 2, they display the amazing silicone gloves. What's the number 2 bullet? No mess, no rest, silicone gloves. So the images and the bullet points are aligning up. That's what I mean by that when I say align your images with bullet points. Number 3, we have the meat claws. Spreaders are the bomb. So number 3 bullet point is talking about the meat claws. 4 and number 5, well, that's not a good image, but it's okay. Number 4 and number 5 are displaying this basting brush. Silicone heat resistant basting brush right here in the next bullet point. Well, actually that's in the same bullet point, but they're still doing it in a nice order. Right, guys, so they're sort of following the formula that I would use. They have some of their images are really good, some need a little bit of work, but that's kind of beside the point. I just wanted to show you what it would look like in person on Amazon. So this is exactly how I go out there and make my Amazon product images from day one. There's no questions, there's nothing left up to chance, there's no mystery, right? I know exactly how to do it from the beginning, and you now do as well. And another great tip I have for you is to, if you're kind of lost, you don't know where to begin, you don't know how to make your images, go to some of your best-selling competitors and analyze their images. Obviously what they're doing, something they're doing is working. Analyze their images and sort of model a few of yours around theirs. Obviously never copy anybody, but model a few of yours around theirs. Maybe they're leaving something out. Maybe they have a really good image, but they're leaving a little something out that you could make better. That's exactly what I would do, is model theirs, make yours better. And that's that, guys. So hope you have a pretty clear vision on how to go out there and create really good Amazon product images for basically free and really, really premium using a service. So I think I covered all the bases here in this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If I missed anything, if you have any awesome recommendations that you know of that you've used in the past, I'd sure love to hear them, because images are certainly one of the most important parts of the listing as a whole. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Once again, I'm really trying to upload daily right now. I'm trying to pump out as much amazing content as possible. And with that being said, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you find any value in what I say and the advice that I offer. So I'd really, really appreciate that. I'm trying to grow this YouTube channel, and I'm trying to do it along with you guys. So my name is Pete once again, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.